with the left hand, it is a do chord or a 1, a 4th or a fa, then a so or 5th chord, so it will be do, a fa, and then so. The key is A major, do, fa, and then so it will be something like this. Let me spell the chords for you. Before he came with the main intro, right? With that one, he used I think a string. It was something like re ti do 2 7 1. You get it? Re ti do. Then before he came to the vams that I taught you, I mean this one, the 1, the 4, and the 5. I mean the left hand voice. All right. So after that, then he played so I'll be taking it bit by bit. He plays something like fa mi re do to la so. You get it? So fa da mi. So I'm playing both. Okay. I hope you get it. Then a so chord, re, so, not like. It was mi so la so mi re do ti la so re mi re do re mi. You get it? And then to the coda of the song, he played you get it? Yes. So the notes was do mi so do to. You get it? 1 3 5 1 7.